Welcome back to another video. This video today will be filled with me rubbing my head on my roof. I am in my back seat. I am missing a bit of a seat because we're going racing, so I'm trying to shave some weight and actually get some good times. But as big of a joke as this back seat is, I mean, the Camaro is well noted for having pretty little to no room back here. It's actually better without the back in it because you can kind of like banana your body. Today they announced the TrailBlazer. The TrailBlazer is hands down the biggest joke in GM's lineup. So I was hoping that the RS would come out, reaction would be good, sales would be good. It looks great. I'm actually a big fan of the new Blazer. I think it's a good looking vehicle, and I could care less what they call it because, I mean, the Blazer name is dead anyways. Hoping they'd put a twin turbo V6. I'm hoping they'd be putting 400 horse in a crossover and have some more fun with their vehicles. But no. They come out with a TrailBlazer. So I would think TrailBlazer. Chassis? Off-road? Capable. They add plastic. They add more plastic. They add more plastic. Oh, and if you didn't guess it, they added more plastic. It looks like a Prius and a Pontiac AZTEK had a baby. That's how bad it is. That is actually how bad it looks. No performance increase, no nothing. Tires are they're just normal tires. It's not going to get you anywhere. It reminds me a lot of the Tacoma. The Tacoma TRD Pro that they put a giant snorkel on, called it an off-road vehicle, and they put RAV4 tires on it. Oh my God, what a joke. Like, I understand GM, but why? If you're going to rebody a vehicle, why don't you rebody the Tahoe? Why don't you make the Tahoe look more fun? Why don't you make it look a little more manly maybe and put it in an off-road package with a chassis, a great tow rating, and lots of space for your family like the Blazers used to be, the TrailBlazers used to be. It's extremely frustrating to see because they're just repeating the same mistakes, and the AZTEK was a giant fail, and it is laughed at by most of the automotive industry, and yet they keep just taking these vehicles and adding all this damn trim and calling it off-road package. Does it have anything from a ZR2? Like, the ZR2 has a chassis, off-road suspension, off-road tires. It's not the most capable vehicle, but it's hell of a lot better than stock if that's what you want. Well, they're just a bunch of goofs. And then they announced the Buick Encore GX, which is the same platform, and I think it is a great looking SUV. Nice and sporty, sleek, modern, stylish. A few sport cues, a little bit of red in the dash, a little bit of red here, a little bit of red there. It's a great looking vehicle. Honestly, I'd choose that every day of the week. I just don't understand. I'm not a purist. I don't care. Do whatever you want with the names. I drive the new Camaro. I drilled a million holes in it. I've put stickers all over it. I tow with it. I do everything ridiculous with it. Putting a sub box in it. Like, we're going racing. I drive it in the winter. I'm not a purist. But they just got to stop ruining names. The TrailBlazers just become a joke. And they need to stop ruining franchises. Come up with new names. Like, just embarrass something else. Or give it a different trim package name. It's a little ridiculous, but I guess there's just nothing we can do about it. Till next time, guys, drive safe, take care, and behave as always.